Hello, dear friends. Most welcome to this live session. And if you are watching it live, awesome. If you are watching it later as a recording, also welcome. Okay. So the topic of this video is that how to connect domain to Systeme.io. What is Systeme.io? Systeme.io is an LMS, and connecting domain to any LMS or to any service, the process of connecting the domain remains same. Sometimes additional records are required, but it remains same. So I'm not going to talk about much about this. I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's see step by step how to connect the domain. Okay, so let me share my screen. I think I have to share my entire screen with you. So here I am, like this. So you can see my screen. This is in infinity because I have shared my entire screen with you. Okay, so maybe I can do one thing that uh, let's not do that. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen. So this is GoDaddy account, and on GoDaddy account I have one domain, and that domain needs to be connected to Systeme.io. Okay, so in GoDaddy my products are here. So this is the domain Manvi Chaudhary. This is the domain dot manvichaudhary.com. This is the domain, and here is DNS. So this is DNS, domain and name service, domain and names. Sorry for that, domain and name server management. So here we can add DNS records, and it is saying that we cannot display your DNS information because your name servers are not managed by us. So in this case, what we can do, so what happens sometimes for domain, we change the name servers. That is the facility. So maybe I updated the name servers of other provider. In this case, I remember that for this particular domain I updated name servers of Hostinger. So here are the name servers, ns1 dnsparking.com. So these name servers actually belong to Hostinger, but now I am connecting this domain to uh, my Systeme. So I can change the name servers again to default name servers of GoDaddy name servers recommended save. So now I have changed the name servers to GoDaddy. Now here itself I can add the domain records, DNS records. Okay. Now if I go to DNS records, then hopefully I can see right now. It sometimes it takes time. Let me refresh it if it happens in some time. Yeah, so now you can see that we have option to add new record. So first of all, when you are updating your DNS records, there is a DNS record called a parked. So this is for parked domains. Remove it first of all. Delete it. Okay, delete it. Now I'm going to open my Systeme. This is my Systeme, and here in the settings I have custom domains. You can see here custom domains. Click on custom domains. Here I have already added multiple domains. I'm adding this one now. The domain name is um, www.manvichaudhary.com. So this is the domain. Click on save. So when you click on save, it is giving you two records. One is CNAME record for www. Another is CNAME record for this thing. Okay, so this is additional record given by Systeme. Normally only one www record is given by most of the service providers, but in this case Systeme has provided us two records to be added in the Systeme, sorry, in the DNS. Okay, so let's move ahead. So copy this www. The entire thing is not required, only www is required. Go to DNS, add new record, choose C name because we are adding C name records. Here we have to type www. Go to the system, take this value. This is called target value. So value, then add, click on save. One more record we have to add, this one. This one also we have to take till here before Manvi Chaudhary. So I hope you understand. So the main domain is manvichaudhary.com. So in the first one, you have to take the first part. In the second one, you have to take the first part. That's it. Go to DNS, click on OK. So when I try to add www, there is a conflict. www is already added. Maybe I can delete that. Yeah. So you are learning a lot. Now that is deleted. This one I can click on save. So my purpose is to show you everything and you learn how to add DNS records, what all challenges we face. So first challenge we faced name server. Second challenge we faced a record for parked thing. Then we faced that already www is existing. Three things we learned. Now the fourth one, we are adding cname record this thing. Then go to systeme, take this value, target value. Then here, okay, click on save. So in most of these cases, you will be able to add the domain. The domain will be added, but sometimes you face the problem. The domain is not added. Okay, you get an error. And what is that error? Let me show you. So you get this error called, okay, systeme error, just bajar. This is called CAA error. Okay, so this is called CAA error. It comes while you are adding DNS records for systeme. Okay, so right now we have added two records. Hopefully it will be added, but most of the times people are getting CAA errors while adding domain to systeme. So this is little bit challenging but easy. Why easy? Because I have created this blog post to guide you. This CAA error comes and you have to add these 10 records to your domain so that this error does not come in your case. And if it comes, then you can again add these records, 10 records uh, to your DNS. But for you, I'm going to show you that how to add. Okay, so I'm going to add all these records in advance so that I don't face this issue. So add new record. Here you get CAA, and here you get flag. Flag is 0. Tag is issue, and the value is amazon.com because system is based on Amazon server, right? So here tag is issue and the domain is amazon.com. Then you need to click on save. Okay, there is some issue that is called maybe you need to type this at the rate sign. Name is at the rate sign, save. So one record is added. Now the next 9 records we are going to add in bulk. Okay, add new record. The next one is amazontrust.com. Copy, go here, CAAAA. Here you have to type at, here you have to type 0, here you have to type issue, here you have to paste. Then add more records. Go here, AWS Trust. Then here choose CAA. Here choose at. Here choose 0. Here choose issue. Paste the value. Okay. Now add more records. Choose CAA. Here type 8. Here type 0. Here choose issue. Then the value Amazon AWS.com. This one. Now another record, same thing. CAA. Here at. Here 0. Here issue. And here the value someca.com. Okay, like this you keep adding records. So now the next record is issue wild. The next record is issue wild. So CAA at 0 issue wild, this value. Add new record, CAA at issue wild 0, then the next one, this one. value. Okay, then record another CAA at easy na, it's not tough, right? It's easy. Issue wild, then the third value, third value of issue wild. Okay, add more records, click on CAA at 0 issue wild, then the fourth value of issue wild, then last record we are going to add, that is CAA at 0 issue wild, and the last value sumca.com. Okay, so now all the records are added. Save all records, some issue. Okay, so sumca.com is already there, and here we forgot to choose so this is sumca.com. When tag is issue or issue wild, this must be a valid domain. So this one GoDaddy is not accepting. I don't know why it is not accepting. This is really really strange. So if it is strange, we can delete it. This one, this one, this one is issue wild. Okay, then this one we can delete. So sometimes we face problems. So let's try to click on save all records. Now all the records are added. Only two records are not added. That is sumca.com. Sumca.com, because GoDaddy is not accepting, but we have added other 8 records, and now we can see whether our domain is connected or not. Now, if the domain is not connected, what we have to do, let me show you. These 2 records you need to delete and you need to add again. So after 24 hours, you go and check and see if the pending validation is coming or CAA error is coming. If CAA error is coming, then from your DNS, delete these 2 records, add again, and then wait for another 24 hours. And if it is not CAA error, I hope that this domain will be connected to Systeme. And if it is still not connected, then what you can do, you can create a video, you can record a video, take the screenshot, share with me on my email ID or on my WhatsApp. I will try to help you, right? So that is how you connect your domain to Systeme. I hope this session has been very, very useful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, click on bell button. And if you want our digital marketing services, that is world class, result oriented digital marketing services, we provide training and services, right? So get connected with me and book your Zoom call with me if you want to set up your business, if you want to grow your business to the next level. Okay, in this video, that's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.